Well, in the cranial nerve, so cranial nerves are part of the peripheral nervous system. You have 12 pairs of cranial nerves. So the first one, cranial nerve number 1, olfactory, and it go to here, go to your nasal cavity. Its function is for smell. Your cranial nerve number 2, optic. So optic nerve, that's for visual, your sense of vision. That's cranial nerve number 2. Cranial nerve number 3, oculomotor. Its function is to control the eye movement. Outside your eye, you have 6 muscles that are controlled by cranial nerve number 3, number 4, and number 6. And it's mainly by number 3. And also your pupil constriction, also cranial nerve number 3. Cranial nerve number 4, trochlea, and it also control the eye movement. You control one of the muscles, superior oblique. Cranial nerve number 5, trigeminal. Trigeminal is the nerve come here. It has 3 branches. It covers the upper, middle, and lower part of your face. So it's a somatic sensation from the face. Also, it controls the muscle for chewing. Cranial nerve number 6, abduction. Abduction controls the lateral rectus muscle. So that's this muscle. And you found some people, their eyes supposed to coordinate it well. And if the eye tilt a little bit, usually due to damage of this muscle or this nerve. Cranial nerve number 7, facial. So facial is control the face. They also control the face muscle, but this muscle is for facial expression, not different from cranial nerve number 5, trigeminal, that control the muscle for chewing. Cranial nerve number 8, vestibular cochlea. That's the nerve pick up signal from your inner ear. Your inner ear have the vestibular part, that's for balance, and cochlea part, that's for auditory. So together called vestibular cochlea. And it will send a signal to your brain, eventually go to your auditory cortex. Cranial nerve number 9. 9 is 10 minus 1. So Roman number X is 10. So I10, 10 minus 1. Cranial nerve number 9. Glossopharyngeal. It controls the muscle in about this part. It also controls the taste of your tongue. And pharyngeal muscle. Pharynx muscle. Pharynx is a fancy word to say throat. Cranial nerve number 10, very important nerve, called vagus. That's the biggest parasympathetic nerve. It will go to control mainly your digestive system. And also it controls your heart, your respiratory system, so it can slow down your heart rate. This is cranial nerve number 10. Cranial nerve number 11, accessory. Accessory is the muscle, is the nerve control your neck, like sternocleidomastoid. So this muscle, its main function is to coordinate with your eye muscle. You are able to see because you want to move your fovea, that's the clear part on your retina to see the object. So outside your eye, you have 6 muscles controlled by cranial nerve number 3, 4, and 6. And if you move your eye, that's not enough. You automatically move your neck. So the accessory nerve control this muscle and coordinate well with your eye to see object. And your cranial nerve number 12, hypoglossal nerve. It controls the tongue muscle. So these are the 12 pairs of cranial nerves.